Hello everyone, this is Sanch and you're watching Apps Ki Jankari. Today I am creating this video after a very long time. That is, we all know this scenario which is a lockdown over here, and this channel which actually was created for giving you information on different applications and especially food kind of applications. But I know that in this kind of scenario nobody, or maybe most of the people, won't be actually ordering from different hotels at the moment. So what I have thought of is, in this lockdown I will be posting certain kind of videos which can give you a lot of fun, which you can just play and earn money. Maybe different websites, different applications which you can easily download from your Play Store. You can play games with your friends, maybe online, maybe install applications, and you can just earn money. So I think that would be a good idea in lockdown, to make fun as well as earn money. So not all of the videos will help you to earn money, but yes, some of them will surely do. So let us start. So I will be just posting all the videos of that application which I have personally tried, not of that applications which I'm not aware of, and I'm just posting, of course. So one of such, if you see my screen, I have lot of such applications which I have tried and which I have actually earned money from. So for now, to be starting with, the first application which I'm going to show you all is Qureka. You can go to your Play Store of your mobile Qureka application, and you can just sign up with your mobile number from which your Paytm is registered, or you normally use it for your money transfers, etc. So you can just use that phone number and register yourself to this application which is called as Qureka application. If you see this is how this application looks. So if you all see, I have already earned 35 rupees. I have already withdrawn 35 to 40 rupees. If you see, this coins wallet is 50 over here. This is the coin wallet. So what does this do is, you get the coins. You have to first earn the coins to play the games. You have lot of different games which are very interesting. So if you see, if you can see how you can earn the coins, is just click on get free coins. Your ad will start. Once the ad gets started, you will earn the coins. So if you see, watch videos now. Once you watch the video, you will earn 10 coins. So now I'm not watching the entire ad. So this is how you can earn coins, and once you watch video, the coin will be added in your coin wallet. Now you have different games. If you see, you have play quiz, which are the hourly quizzes. So you can even see the GK quiz, politics quiz, world quiz, and different types of quiz. You just need to click on play now. There is entry fees which you can see, 10 coins, 20 coins, which will be directly deducted from your coin wallet. You need to click on it, you need to play that, that's it. Okay, now if you see live quiz over here, these are some of the quizzes which is actually a live one, which is for 5 to 10 minutes. This is depends, sometimes it is hourly, sometimes it is in once in 2 hours, sometimes it is once in 30 minutes, wherein around thousands of people play the game, which is a live game, and immediately you get the money over there itself. So it can be 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 3, 10, anything depending on the number of winners. So you just need to click on this live quiz, and you can see the price, free entry. It doesn't cost you any coin. So you can see the time, and you can come here and you can play it. These are all the quizzes which you can play by just watching videos, or paying the coins which you have already collected. Next is prediction, which I normally don't play, but of course you can do this as well, wherein for the upcoming matches you can predict, watch video for the entrance, and then you can just predict. These are the image quizzes, again logo quizzes which you can play. You will be having a lot of different participants, but your rank matters at the end. That whatever rank you get, depending on the rank, whatever prize they have, it will be given to you. These are the cricket quizzes, and yeah, these are all the quizzes which you can surely play. And whatever you earn, you just need to click on earnings wallet. If you can see, After that, click on game wallet, that is view details. You can see your current balance is 35 rupees. So you can just click on transfer and your money will be transferred to your Paytm wallet directly. So this is how Qureka works, wherein you don't need to pay anything, just play games. I know a lot of people do play games, but they do not get even a single rupee. What I personally feel is, in this lockdown, as a kid or as anyone, I think playing games is something which everyone likes. So whoever play, I know that everyone plays games on mobile in this lockdown, especially. Even if it is not a lockdown, if you travel, there are people who keep on playing games. But I just want to understand, this app is not for just earning money, but for making fun, or maybe just to pass your time. But if passing times even gives you just 1 rupees or maybe 10 rupees, it is something very interesting. This is what I feel, because just by playing games you do get some money. So do try this app, guys, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates directly in your inbox.